Estate planning is a crucial aspect of securing your legacy and ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. It involves creating a will, establishing trusts, and making important decisions about how your estate will be managed after your passing. One of the key components of estate planning is creating a will. A will is a legal document that outlines how you want your assets to be distributed after your death. It allows you to specify who will inherit your property, money, and other assets, as well as who will be responsible for managing your estate. When creating a will, it is important to carefully consider who you want to include as beneficiaries. This may include family members, friends, or charitable organizations. You should also designate an executor who will be responsible for carrying out the instructions in your will and ensuring that your wishes are followed. In addition to a will, establishing trusts can also be an important part of estate planning. A trust is a legal arrangement that allows a third party, known as a trustee, to hold assets on behalf of a beneficiary. Trusts can be used to protect assets, minimize estate taxes, and provide for loved ones who may not be able to manage their inheritance on their own. There are several different types of trusts that can be used in estate planning, including revocable trusts, irrevocable trusts, and special needs trusts. Each type of trust has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it is important to work with a qualified estate planning attorney to determine which type of trust is best for your situation. Another important aspect of estate planning is ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. This may involve creating a plan for how your business will be managed after your passing, establishing a plan for the care of any minor children, or making provisions for the care of elderly or disabled family members. It is also important to review and update your estate plan regularly to ensure that it reflects your current wishes and circumstances. Life events such as marriage, divorce, the birth of a child, or the death of a loved one can all impact your estate plan, so it is important to review it periodically and make any necessary changes. In addition to creating a will, establishing trusts, and ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes, estate planning can also involve making decisions about end-of-life care and medical treatment. This may include creating a living will, appointing a healthcare proxy, or establishing a do not resuscitate order. By taking the time to create a comprehensive estate plan, you can ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes, minimize estate taxes, and provide for your loved ones after your passing. Estate planning can be a complex and emotional process, but with the help of a qualified estate planning attorney, you can create a plan that provides peace of mind and security for you and your family. In conclusion, estate planning is a crucial aspect of securing your legacy and ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. By creating a will, establishing trusts, and making important decisions about how your estate will be managed after your passing, you can protect your assets, minimize estate taxes, and provide for your loved ones. Working with a qualified estate planning attorney can help you navigate the complexities of estate planning and create a plan that reflects your wishes and values.